Yo, what's up guys, this is Bart Bregman here from iQOptionWiki.com with another strategy video. And in this video I want to discuss a very popular indicator. It's the Stochastic Oscillator indicator and how we can use it, how we can set it up on the iQOption platform. First of all, if you want to know more about the Stochastic Oscillator, you can always visit our website here. If you have not have a demo account yet, please sign up with the sign up form here. We're a licensed promoter of iQOption. You can get your free demo account here. Stochastic Oscillator, what you need to know about it, it has a upper and a lower line, a green overbought sector with represents the 20% and a oversold bottom line that represents a 20%, and then it has two moving averages that go in between that channel, and when they cross each other, that can mean a trend reversal. As you can see here, the two lines going up and down in the channel. Let's go into the iQOption platform and give you some examples where to identify the trend and how to identify the trend with the candlesticks and how to set it up. So now in the iQOption platform, set it up the candlesticks here. Just go to indicators and type in Stochastic Oscillator. I always set it up on default. And now look at a few examples that will give a good trend reversal in the market. Now, as you can see, for example, here at the high, local high, you can see here the Stochastic Oscillator also crossed the line and it made a trend reversal. Then it came all the way down and it did hit the oversold as well, and you see here it crossed again, and then it made a smaller uptrend here, and then you see the stochastic later cross again here, and then it's overbought again. That's what we're looking for. We want to be in the overbought zone, so we make sure we have a lot of selling pressure after we cross again. So you see here it crosses, and you see here we are in a downtrend. So this would have been a really nice sell signal to go into a short. So that was real short, the Stochastic Oscillator. Try to practice with it, try to play around with it. Always practice with a demo account, of course, and try to become a better trader. If you want to know more information, we always have iQOptionWiki.com, where you can find new strategies and more and more. Thank you for watching. This was Bart.